Excitement is building for the upcoming DJI Avata 360. According to trusted sources online, this drone offers a flagship experience at an entry-level price, starting at just $489 for the unit or $680 for the bundle. The standout feature mentioned in Chinese social media messages is the ultra-high-definition imaging. It reportedly packs dual 1-inch sensors for stunning 8K 60 FPS panoramic quality. To keep your feed smooth, it's said to use the Flagship O4 Plus transmission system. Safety is also a priority. Hearsay suggests it includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing and integrated propeller guards, making it perfect for beginners. You can choose between a classic remote or motion sensing control. Plus, a new dual lens mode supposedly lets you switch between 360-degree views and traditional cinematic shots. It looks like a versatile powerhouse for any creator.